Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to discuss the season of Europe. In our country we have three seasons, that are winter, summer and rainy seasons. In most of the Europe there has four seasons: winter, spring, summer, autumn. So these four seasons have changes brought in Europe. Let us discuss winter season in Europe. Winter season begins in November, and December onwards Europe gets very cold and snow all begin to fall once in a while, and also we can see more snow on mountains. Sunshine also once in a while. In Europe during the winter season, the sun rises about 9 or 10 o'clock and sun sets 4 o'clock in the afternoon. In total day, the sun overcast sky makes it even darker. Let us see spring season. The landscape begins to change as March comes, and days are get longer during this time. Nights are shorter, and the snow starts to melt during spring season, and green leaves appear and colorful flowers bloom everywhere. And the people who are dependent on agriculture, they start ploughing in fields, and sowing is done during this season. Wheat, rye, barley, corn, sugar beet, oats are principal crops in Europe. Let us see summer season in Europe. Summer season starts from June to August. In the summer season, it does not rain much. There is more sunshine. The days are longer than our country. Sun rises as early as 4 o'clock and sunsets 8 o'clock in the evening. In fact, the northern countries like Sweden, sun does not set at all. That's why northern countries like Sweden, Norway are called the sun never set. And summer season of Europe is suitable for agriculture, and crops matured in this season. So once you observe these pictures, these all different season pictures, let us see autumn. The climate changes once again in September and October. The tree leaves turn red and yellow and begin to fall. Agriculture operations are wound up here, and the grapes and other fruits are plucked and used for making wine, jam and juices of various kinds, and preserved in other farms during the autumn season. Okay children, these are the seasons information of Europe. Okay, thank you.